Yeah, brand new week. What's going on, boys and girls? Welcome back to Tom's Garage. Uh-oh, got the road blocked. But today, pow, 22 recycler. Y'all probably remember this one, recognize it from just the other day. This is one we revived after it's been sitting for years. Pow. You got to get the gremlins worked out of it. Runs good. He was using it, but. Self-propelled cable broke. It's bad. Pow. Blah. This is what it's supposed to look like. Pow. That little knob right there that holds that spring, it's probably laying in the yard somewhere. Brand new cable. 9 times out of 10 you're gonna have the part number, there it is, written on the cable right there. You can't really see it. 115-0485. Don't pay no attention to the last 4 numbers in the letter. Like this, the bail cable, yeah, there's a part number for it. Usually, you know, if it's an OEM cable, they're going to have the part number stamped on it. But we're going to replace this cable. Very easy, very simple little job. We'll set the camera up. It's too early in the morning. Too early in the morning. I'm going to try to do this without taking a whole lot of it apart. You know, if you wanted to, you could take this off and take this off, but what you want to do is, when this goes through the deck, you just got 2 little ears. All you got to do is get you a long pair of niggly nose on that right there and just unsnap it. Blah. And then this will hook right there. Very simple little process. And there it is, way up yonder, right there. So what we'll do, see if we can get lucky this morning and just get it unsnapped. Yeah. Get that unsnapped. Unclip. Let's see how lucky we can get. I can even see it. I can barely even see it. There we go, I can see it now. I can't get Brandon's tool up in there. Ooh. Push the mower off the table, boy. Oop. Just a one stooge show. Just get them ears pressed in there. Maybe we can get one ear at a time. Okay, there's one. I can get it, it's just I can't pull it because I'm pulling the mower off the table. Come on, Mr. Cable. You know, I don't know why I'm fighting with this thing. It's broke anyway. All I need to do is repair it with a pair of channel locks and rip it out. And that's what we're going to do. I ain't going to sit here and fight with this thing. That's what we'll do. Blah. Rip it out of there. It'll be all right. I've seen it be all right before. Get this unhooked right there. And what we're going to have to do is take this completely off, because this is not going to squeeze through that little slot, because it's under this stud. Sometimes I'll take a screwdriver and pry that apart a little bit, but we don't have to with this one. So go ahead and just pull it out. See how the rust and stuff will settle at the bottom of that cable? And it just breaks. Oh, golly. Let's see, well, that'll fit through there. It'll just fit all right through that hole right there beside it. That's why that hole is there. We want to get it hooked on this end first. Get it hooked on that end first. We'll get it hooked right there if I can get my fingers to. I'm gonna grab my needle nose again. I'm gonna use them. Well, I tell you what, I ain't coordinated this morning. A chance for my coffee to kick in yet. Just use your fingers there, boy. Use your fingers. Well, let's see, let's go. Let's go over the top. Go over the top. Getting an early morning whooping here, boy. Well, I just lost it. Come back here. Well, just lost it again. Now it's hooked somewhere else. I don't know what it's hooked. Oh, it's hooked around the belt. Golly, Mr. Spring. You're helping a brother out this morning. There we go, let's get it back. Get it back. Wind's blowing that. Get the fingers in there. So I tell you what, be a pain in the old butt here, boy. Getting whooped by a spring on a Monday morning. Just do it like that. Just do it like that. Well, just lost it again. Go in, go around, pull it out. All right. And then we'll come around here. hold this end, slide the cable down right there and snap. And then we'll feed it through here. Holding tension on this. That way the spring don't come back off. Lord, you don't want to have to see me have to hook it back up again. Okay, now we'll stand her up. Gooder than enough. And we'll take it and hook it. Well, yeah, go ahead and hook it back in here right there. Well, that was trying to be a bugger too. There we go. Back on there like that. Put that in there like that. That's got to go like that. Back in its little groove. Hook that one. Then we'll put the bolt in it. And put the knob back on here. We're not going to tighten it down just yet because we got to adjust it. So you just leave it loose enough where you can pull it back and forth. Okay. That's an easy 5-minute job. Only took half an hour. I didn't get the air filter wet. Let me take it off. Yeah, 9 o'clock in the morning, he's already calling me asking, when are you going to be done with my mower, Tom? Oh my God, I got to cut grass before it reaches 110 degrees. So let me put my bacon down, boy, and I'll go up there and knock it out for you. Oh, go ahead. That's all there is to it. Just pull that cable down until you feel the mower wanting to take off, then you can back it out a little bit and just tighten it down. That's all there is to it. That's all there is to it. Toro Recycler 22 front wheel drive. No, this is a rear wheel drive. Rear wheel drive personal pace. The personal paces are always rear wheel drive. Whew. All right, there we go. Appreciate y'all watching another Tom Louie video, boys and girls. It's gonna be another scorcher. Y'all be cool out there today. And I hope y'all's flabber gets gasted today. Love y'all, and I will catch y'all on the next one, man. I love y'all.